Hi and welcome to Mataba News Reports. Shebeshiti arrested over alleged road range shooting in Polokwane. Rapper Shebeshiti, real name Lehlonono Kahleho Shaok, was arrested earlier this morning, today, 12th of November 2025, at his Bendo home in connection with the alleged road range incident in October. The incident occurred on 19 October 2025 in Polokwane, where police say the rapper allegedly shot another motorist in the stomach following a heated argument at a petrol station. The victim remains in critical condition in the intensive care unit. Shebeshiti had previously presented himself to police with his lawyers and was released pending the investigation. The arrest adds two strings of serious legal trouble for Shebeshiti. He faced attempted murder charges in 2022 and 2023, including incidents involving stabbing and alleged firearm use, and was previously involved in a knife accusation earlier this year. The Limpopo Murder and Robbery Unit has been handling the case, with the police confirming that today's arrest is part of an intensified investigation. Further updates from authorities are expected. Well, I don't know what's going on with my guy Shebeshiti. It looks like he's always in trouble. He always fights with people. Some are his fans. He always stabs people, and now he's facing a lot of charges. Well, let's see what's going to happen with these cases. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again on the next story. I am Makabongwe Mataba. Goodbye.